Hey besties, imagine this. You're sitting at home, maybe on your phone, watching CCTV screens from anywhere in the world, earning in dollars, getting hired fast, and never stepping foot into an office. But thousands of people are getting hired every single month for remote CCTV monitoring jobs. And the only thing standing between you and that job is your CV and cover letter. Stay with me to the end because I will also share real companies currently hiring worldwide, plus a free CV and cover letter structure you can copy today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe because your support means a lot. Let's get started. Before we even touch the CV, let's talk about what companies are looking for. Remote CCTV monitoring is not just watching screens. It's about staying alert, reporting incidents quickly, following protocol, writing clear reports, and having basic tech confidence. Most companies hiring worldwide want: number one, attention to detail, ability to stay focused for long periods, communication skills, reliability, basic security awareness. You don't need a security license for most remote roles, especially international ones, but you must present yourself as someone trustworthy, observant, and responsible. Your CV needs to scream professional, alert, and reliable. Let's move into the fun part, your CV structure, the one that gets you past ATS and straight to a human recruiter. First of all, what is ATS? ATS stands for Applicant Tracking System, which is a type of software used by employers to manage the hiring process. It helps recruiters screen resumes by scanning them for keywords, sorting candidates, and tracking their progress through the hiring stages, thereby making the recruitment process more efficient. Now we are going to look at why your CV needs to be ATS standard. It is because ATS is a digital gatekeeper. Many employers use ATS to pre-screen resumes before a human ever sees them. Your resume must be ATS friendly to increase the chances of getting past the software and into the hands of a recruiter. Your resume needs to be formatted and written in a way the ATS can pass correctly. So here's the exact format you're going to use. Number one is header. Your header must be simple and clean and include these details below: your full name, country, willing to work remotely across all time zones, email, phone, LinkedIn. Number two is professional summary. Your 4-line golden pitch. This is not where you talk about wanting a job. This is where you sell your skills. Use this template: detailed oriented professional with strong observation skills and a proven ability to monitor, analyze, and report incidents accurately. Experienced in working independently, following protocols, and maintaining high levels of focus in fast-paced or repetitive environments. Seeking a remote CCTV monitoring role where I can support safety, security, and real-time incident surveillance. It must be short, strong, and powerful. The number three item there should be your core skills, ATS-friendly keywords. You're going to put 10 to 12 bullet skills such as real-time monitoring, incident reporting, alertness and focus, multitasking, time management, communication, observational accuracy, technical troubleshooting, remote tools efficiency, shifts flexibility. These words help ATS pick your CV instantly. Number four is professional experience. Even if you have zero security background, here's the trick: you always have experience that fits CCTV. Believe me, even if it's from customer service, admin, teaching, retail, even from your home while looking after your children. Use this bullet formula: action plus task plus result. For example, you could say monitored digital dashboards, and reported unusual activity to supervisors, improving response time by 20%. Followed company procedures to document incidents accurately, ensured consistent communication and timely updates during busy hours, worked independently while maintaining focus for long periods. Even if you've never monitored CCTV, use transferable skills, okay? Then number 5 is your education. Make sure to include your highest qualification. Then the 6th one is certifications, which is optional but powerful. If you've completed any online safety courses, CCTV operation courses, digital monitoring training, cyber awareness courses, add them. The 7th one will be tools and software. Make sure to list whatever you know, even basic tools like Zoom, Google Workspace, Microsoft Excel, monitoring dashboards, if any, add all of it. Then the 8th item will be availability. You're going to write available for night shifts. This is my pro tip to you. Write available for night shifts, weekends, and international time zones. This is big. So if you're targeting companies in America, check out the time zone and make sure to include it that you're available for those times. You need to do that because most international companies hire 24/7. Let's look at CV mistakes that will make you lose the job immediately. Let me warn you guys. This job is highly competitive. People get rejected for simple mistakes. Avoid these long paragraphs, fancy designs. ATS will reject it straight away. You don't need to design your CV. Saying I have no experience will not lead you anywhere. Using unprofessional email addresses, not adding time zone flexibility. If you avoid this, you're always ahead of 70% of applicants. How to write a winning cover letter that gets you hired fast. Because as you're submitting your CV, you should also submit a cover letter. Now let's craft your cover letter. This is where many people fail. They either write too much or they write nothing important. Use this 4-paragraph structure. Paragraph 1, introduce yourself. Example: I am excited to apply for the remote CCTV monitoring position with strong observational skills and the ability to remain focused for extended period. I am confident in my ability to support a security team effectively. Then paragraph 2, highlight relevant skills. Your cover letter is where you sell yourself to the hiring manager. Therefore, make sure you add relevant skills. For example, I have experience monitoring digital tools, analyzing information in real time, and following procedures accurately. I am comfortable working independently, handling repetitive tasks, and escalating issues when needed. Then in paragraph 4, you're going to show reliability plus tech confidence because you need it, besties. And for example, you could say, I am highly dependable, adaptable to different time zones, which is really important. If you can stay awake at night during Americans' daytime and able to work night shifts when necessary. I am comfortable using remote tools, communication platforms, and incident reporting systems. Guys, go and learn these things and add it to your skills. For closing, could add this example. I would be honored to support your team in ensuring safety, smooth operations, and real-time surveillance. Thank you for considering my application. Short, concise, and professional. Perfect for global companies. Now that we've looked at resume and cover letter format, let's look at some companies hiring worldwide. Here are real places where you can apply now. Number 1 is CCTV Monitoring International. The second one is JobGether. They hire remote surveillance roles. So you want to go to their website and search for security camera monitoring. They can help match you with over 9 million jobs. However, they have free and premium subscription. If you subscribe for the premium subscription, they will help you with getting job faster. But I'm not telling you to subscribe because this video is not sponsored and I'm not getting any commission for it. I'm just showing you guys to help out. So if you can pay for their subscription or you start now for free. All right. Here you can search for over 9 million jobs. Just put your job title. Like I said, you want to search for security camera monitoring here. Okay, any type of job at all, search it here and you will find something. but make sure you have a CV. So these are the companies hiring by industries here, and their most popular remote roles here. You can see here. Number 3 is Indeed. Worldwide remote CCTV roles. You're going to use filters like remote CCTV, remote surveillance, monitoring operator. Okay, go to Indeed. Search for keywords like this: video surveillance, command center operator, CCTV monitoring operator and technician, cardiac monitor technician, security console operator. So you need to enter the keywords, the exact keyword that you're looking for. Number 4 is Adahi. So you're going to search for remote surveillance. They hire internationally as well. Even though you will not find anything on their website, you're going to search for them through Indeed or Himalayas. I'll leave these links for you guys in the description. You can go to Himalayas. You see jobs posted by Adahi Tech. Adahi Tech is a cybersecurity and risk management company providing data analytics services IT system to companies. And the website is www.adahi.tech. And the bonus one for you is Data Tech. You can see the jobs available here that you can choose from. If you're looking for a rewarding career in security, they will help you. So you want to go for jobs hiring internationally, 100% remote, not on-site. Number 5 is global security firms. Some hire remote operators depending on region. These companies change daily, so apply fast. Let me give you some pro tips that drastically increase your chances. Apply at night because you have fewer applicants. Add available for night shifts on your CV. It is very important. Keep your CV to one page only. Use a simple PDF format. Apply to 10 jobs per day. By the way, leave in the comments. Say how many jobs have you applied this week. Drop 1 to 10 in the comments. Keep your phone close. Recruiters call quickly for security roles. If you follow everything in this video, believe me, besties, you are guaranteed to stand out. Do your due diligence, do your own research, pick up your phone, sit on your table, face your laptop, face your computer screen, and do your research. You'll definitely find companies hiring out there. Besties, remote CCTV monitoring is one of the easiest remote jobs to get into right now, but only if your CV and cover letter are strong enough. Your CV is your first impression. Make it sharp, make it clear, and make it professional. I have put this CV and the cover letter in a PDF format. The link will be in the description. I would have given it to you guys for free, but the website where you're going to download it from, I pay for the hosting. That's why I'm leaving it at $3 for you guys. So you can get it, format it, put your own details in it. Do not copy and paste, okay? Because then it will become generic. Use your details to fill in the gaps and start applying for jobs, okay? That's why I'm leaving it at $3. Check the link in the description. If it's not there today, it will be later. I would also update you guys on the comment. Check it against the one you have. If it's not the same, format your CV. Always format your CV before applying for new jobs. If you have been using one CV for the whole month, it is time to change it. It is time to update it. You can do it yourself. Just $3. You get the PDF copy. But if you want me to construct your CV from beginning, it's $30, and you don't want to go through all that. And I don't even want to go through all of those stress. So please get it for yourself. $3. ATS started a CV and cover letter template bundle for yourself. Okay, besties, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support means everything. See you in the next video.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.